Let's embark on the design, for the Chill Rocket Explorer isn't just an ice rocket mold. It's a miniature spacecraft waiting to take your taste buds on an interstellar journey. Crafted with precision, its detailed mold and space-age design make it a standout addition to your freezer. The mold isn't just a form, it's an intelligently designed vessel that transforms water into a rocket-shaped ice delight. It's not just an ice mold, it's an aesthetic upgrade to your frozen treat experience. But what truly sets the Chill Rocket Explorer apart is its unique shape. This frozen marvel doesn't just create any ice, it fashions perfectly shaped rockets ready to launch into your glass or bowl. The detailing ensures that your frozen creation looks like it's ready for a mission to the outer reaches of flavor. It's not just an ice mold, it's a rocket-shaped game-changer in the world of frozen delights. Application is a breeze with the Chill Rocket Explorer. No need for complicated instructions or a degree in rocket science. The flexible silicone mold ensures easy release, allowing you to effortlessly extract your icy rockets for immediate deployment into your favorite drinks or desserts. It's not just an ice rocket mold, it's an easy upgrade to a realm of chilling and thrilling luxury. Versatility is the Chill Rocket Explorer's virtue. It doesn't just limit itself to water, it adapts to your creative whims. Experiment with freezing fruit juices, smoothie blends, or even coffee to add a touch of innovation to your frozen treat experience. The mold isn't just for ice, it's a canvas for your frozen concoctions. It's not just an ice rocket mold, it's a versatile tool for culinary exploration. But what about durability? The Chill Rocket Explorer doesn't just prioritize style, it prioritizes longevity. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade materials, it withstands the freezing process and multiple uses. The silicone mold ensures that your icy rockets release effortlessly, maintaining the integrity of your space-themed treat. It's not just an ice rocket mold, it's a durable investment in frozen delight. Now, let's talk about the experience. The Chill Rocket Explorer isn't just an ice mold, it's a sensory delight. The thrill of launching a rocket-shaped ice treat into your favorite beverage, the slow and deliberate melt, releasing a burst of flavor, it's a frozen masterpiece. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and leave a like if you have stayed until this far.